Good morning all my dear students of class 5. This is your maths teacher and the host of this video Ajit Haridas Mane. Welcome into this online video lecture series. So I hope so you will be watching all the videos that are going on our school's YouTube channel Sripat Rao Bhosle High School, and previous video that you have watched, in that previously videos we had to complete our third lesson, addition and subtraction here. So here from today's, this is our first video of today's here. In this video we are going to start here our fourth lesson, that in our maths textbook, that is under the name multiplication and division, that is here. So when you observe the previously videos there, in this previously videos you observe first three lessons there. First Roman numerals, second number work, and third addition and subtraction there. So this is our fourth lesson that here I am taking the heading on this green board here. So fourth lesson, multiplication and division. So here, while getting the information about the next these two basic operations on numbers here, I will remind here in third lesson we complete first two basic operations on numbers, addition and subtraction there. The process of addition, how we can take place between two or more than two numbers, that we observe, that we learned there, and after that we continues how to carry out the division between given two numbers there, that we learned there. So after that third lesson, in this lesson, sorry, I am saying division, it is subtraction. Instead of division we had to take the subtraction there, meaning that is a somewhat mistake here from me. So in third lesson we complete addition and subtraction, these two first basic operations in this way. Now in fourth lesson we continues about multiplication and division of two numbers here. Now here I am getting the first basic operation. We had to continue the information about multiplication first, as well as thereafter we are going to continue the information about division process. So here, while getting the information about multiplication process here, first we continue simple examples on multiplication there, and after that we had to continue some word problems on multiplication process also, and simultaneously similarly we also continue simple examples on division process there, and thereafter we continues some word problems on division also. And when you observe the last part of this fourth lesson in our textbook, we have given some mixed problems, that on whole four basic operations there: addition also, multiplication also, subtraction also, or division also there. That also we learn at the ending of this fourth lesson there. So here I am going to start the first basic operation of this fourth lesson, multiplication here. So heading that here I am taking in front of you. Now you have to watch, you have to observe the green board clearly here while explaining the operation of multiplication on this green board. The steps that here I am following to carry out multiplication between two numbers, those steps you have to watch carefully, listen carefully, then you will be easily understand how we can continue the process of multiplication here. So I will remind here, from third standard we studied about the process of multiplication there. In third standard we can learn that how to multiply a given number by one digit number there. when we comes into the fourth standard there, we learn that how to multiply a given number by two-digit numbers there. Now, in this fifth standard, we continues the past examples as well as in this fifth standard, we continues how to multiply a given number by three-digit numbers there. That means in this fifth standard, we somewhat expanded or we somewhat getting the bigger numbers for multiplication. That's important here. So, first, I will revise up two examples for the previously part here. So, here I am taking the first part that's in front of you. Let's continue on this whiteboard here. To multiply given number by one digit number. So while getting this process of multiplication, this first part here I am explaining with the help of two examples here. This part we already learned in our third standard there. So first example, let's continue here on this green board here that I want to take. That is 3487 multiplied by 7. Now, while writing this example, this is our first example here. While writing this example, here I am taking two numbers, 3487, 4-digit number, and 7, this is a 1-digit number. Now, the sign that here I am taking between these two numbers, it is known as sign of multiplication. That's important here. Now, while writing this example here, this method goes into the horizontal method here. While carrying out the multiplication process, as like previously operations, addition and subtraction, the process of multiplication we also carry out in vertical method there. So, the vertical arrangement is same as like addition and subtraction there. So, first number here I am put down in front of you, 3487. Take multiplication sign, and now while arranging 7, single 7, that means ones place, that is unit place. So, this 7 we arrange below 7 here. Now, after taking this horizontal line, now we had to start here the multiplication by 7. Now keep the remember, when we carry out the multiplication process as well as division process, it is important to recite or to know the tables up to 9th, minimum 9 there. I think you should know about the tables from 2 to 30 there, but for the multiplication process, the table from 2 to 9, that's important for us. So, you should remember the tables from 2 to 9 clearly. Now, while getting this multiplication, in this multiplication here I am using the table of 7. So, I think all the students know about the table of 7 clearly. So, after taking these two numbers in vertical arrangement, that means we write both numbers one below each other by proper way. Now we have to start the process of multiplication here. So as like addition and subtraction, the process of multiplication also start from ones oblique unit place there. That means by this 7, first we multiply to the 7 above, then we multiply to the 8, then we multiply to the 4, and at last we had to multiply to the 3 there. So starting here I am using table of 7. So 7 into 7, starting from ones place. So 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49. So for 49, we write here 9 and 4 taken as carry. Now this 4 you can write at the side there, or you can kept in your mind also. So here, next multiply 7 into 8, 7 8s are 56. Now 4 carries there. So 56 plus 4, we got 60. So for 60, we write here 0. Thereafter 6 taken as carry. So 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6, that comes 34. So for 34, we write here 4, 3 taken as carry. Thereafter, we had to multiply to the 3 here. So 7 into 3, that is 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3, I think it will be how much? 24. It's important here. Now, it is important here, if you do not able to kept the carry in your mind, then you can write the carry at the outside or at the side of that example there. So when we complete this multiplication process by 7 into this example, we got the answer 24,409. Such process we have learnt in 3rd standard. Once again, with the help of another example, second example, here I am explaining the process here. So that's why here I am taking the second example in front of you. 94,081, it is multiplied by 4. Here I am taking a simple number by 4 here. Now this example presently, here I am writing in its horizontal method. While solving the multiplications example, we always use vertical arrangement. So first we had to write down this example in its vertical arrangement. So first number we put down 94,081. Then take multiplication sign. Now this single digit 4, that is the ones oblique unit place. So 4 we arrange below the ones place, that is below 1 there. That's important here. After that we take horizontal line. Now we had to start here multiplication by 4. It means we had to use table of 4 to carry out this multiplication. Now, as previously example, here I am explaining the process of multiplication. We start from ones place or unit place. That means by this 4, first we multiply to the 1, then 8, then 0, then 4, and at last 9. So let's start one by one. So 4 into 1, so 4 ones are 4. So we write 4 as it is. There is no carry. Now let's proceed towards the next multiplication. So 4 into 8, that means 4 8s are, that will be 32. So while writing 32, we write here 2, and now this 3 here I am taking at the outside. Now this 3 here I am taking as its carry. Thereafter next multiplication, 4 into 0, that is 0. The basic concept we learned that when any number is multiplied to the 0, the product always gets 0 there. So 4 into 0, 0. 0 plus 3, that is 3 now. Now next multiplication. So 4 into 4, that means 4 4s are 16. For 16 we write here 6, 1 taken as carry. Thereafter 4 into 9, this is the last multiplication. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 1, 37. So due to this is the last multiplication, so we write 37 as it is. So after completion of this multiplication process, finally we got the answer in the 6-digit number, that is 3,76,324. Now these two examples here I am following. For this first condition that we learned into third standard, how to multiply given number by one digit number there. After that, we proceed towards the next second part. In fourth standard, when we comes into the fourth standard, in same fourth standard we continues the multiplication process. Now into this fourth standard we continues the multiplication process here, that is to multiply given number by two-digit numbers here. This is the next step, next level of examples here. Now here I am taking the first example to explain the method here. The example is in this way, that is 49,817, it is multiplied by 15. First number that here I am taking quite easy. 49,817 multiplied by 15. So this is the horizontal method of multiplications example. Now while carrying out the process of multiplication here, we continues their vertical arrangement. So first number we put down here now, 49,817. It is multiplied, take the multiplication sign. Now we want to arrange 15. 15, this is a two-digit number having ones and tens place. So 15 we arrange below this 17. Tens, ones in this way. After that, when we observe this given number 15, it is just simplest one. Now we can recite or we can know the table of 15 easily there. So here I am taking the table of 15 and directly we multiply to all digits in above number there. That means by this 15, first we multiply to the 7, then 1, then 8, then 9 and at last 4 there. So step by step when we complete the process of multiplication, we get our final answer. So starting from 7, ones place. So 15 into 7, 15 sevens are, I think it will be 105 there. So for 105, we write 5 here. This 10 taken as a carry into the next multiplication. Next 15 into 1, 15 ones are 15, 15 plus 10, that is 25. So for 25 we write here 5, now 2 taken as carry. Thereafter next multiplication, 15 into 8, 15 8s are 120, 120 plus 2, 122. So for 122 we write here 2, 12 taken as carry. Next multiply 15 into 9, 15 9s are 135, 135 plus 12, 147. So write here 7, 14 taken as a carry there. Now last multiply, 15 4s are 60, 60 plus 14. I think it will be 74. Now this is the last multiplication, so we write 74 as it is. So when we complete the whole multiplication process, the final answer that we get as a 6-digit number, that we read as 7,47,255 is there. So in this way we carry out multiplication by 15. Now into this example, a 2-digit number, that is quite simplest, quite easy there. Now let's proceed towards next example of this. Now into the next example, the number of 2 digit that here I am getting, it is somewhat bigger than 30. That's important here. That's in this way. 12,426. It is multiplied by 79. So here, this is the horizontal method of writing method, that is the multiplication process. Now into this, a 2-digit number that here I am taking, that is 79. It is more than, it is greater than 30 there. Now the table of 79 we cannot recite, we cannot read easily. So that is the important how to carry out multiplication into this example. Let's keep on this green board. So first I want to write both numbers in vertical method here. So 12,426, first number here I am putting, then take multiplication sign. Now write down 79. So 79, this is a 2-digit number having 1's tens place. So here 1's tens, below this we write 79. This is the vertical arrangement. After that we take horizontal line, horizontal mark. Now we do not know about the table of 79 easily. We can make table of 79, but that somewhat lengthy process. So instead of that, to carry out this multiplication in easy process, we had to multiply the above number, that is 12,426, by separate 9 and 7. That means at this, after horizontal mark, we get two numbers there. First number we get due to multiplied by 9, and second number we get by multiplication of 7 here. The two number that we get after this horizontal line, we add them, and after making addition of those two number, we got final answer of this multiplication. So how we can take place, that's important here. So let's keep in mind, when the number is greater than 30, that means the table we cannot read, we cannot recite easily there. It is the method that we multiply the above numbers separately by the digits in the second number. So here the meaning of this statement is that 12,426, this above number, first we multiplied by 9 separate. After completion that, then we multiplied by 7 there. So we start the multiplication process in this example by 1's place. So 9 into 6, first we take out. So 9 6 are 54, right here 4, 5 taken as carry. Next multiply 9 into 2, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 5, 23, right here 3, 2 taken as carry. 9 into 4, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 2, 38, right here 8, 3 taken as carry. Thereafter 9 into 2, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21, right here 1, 2 taken as carry. 9 into 1, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11. This is the multiplication done by 9. Now after completion by 9, we have to start by 7 here. So while starting by 7, first we put down 1 0 below this 4 here. We take only 1 0. Now there is a basic reason why we take 1 0 below this 4. This reason we had to explain in the next condition there. So here I am taking, after taking this 0, now we start by 7 here. So again multiplication start by 1's place. So 7 into 6, 7 6 are 42, right here 2, 4 taken as carry. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4, 18, right here 8, 1 taken as carry. 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28, plus 1, 29, right here 9, 2 taken as carry. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Write here 6. 1 taken as carry. 7 into 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now, when you observe the green board here, on this green board, when we write two products here, all digits we write one below each other by proper way. It is important. Why important? Because to get the final answer, we want to make out addition of these two products here. So finally, to take the final answer, we make out addition of these two numbers here. Now again, here I am taking horizontal mark. Now take the addition here. 4 plus 0, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 8 plus 8, 16. Write here 6, 1 carry. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Write here 1, 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And last addition, 1 plus 8, 9. So after taking this multiplication process, we got the final answer in the form of 6 digits, 9,81,654. This is the final answer of this multiplication. Now this condition, second condition, we learned in our 4th standard here. Now we are coming into this 5th standard. Now we have to proceed the next example after this. The next example, that means we had to extending the numbers here. That means we had to multiply given number by 3-digit numbers there. So heading that here I am taking in front of you, to multiply given number by 3 digits number. So while taking the process of multiplication, now with the help of this example, we want to continue the actual process of multiplication. The numbers here quite bigger. So let's keep your mind on this green board carefully. Now to explain the example here, how to carry out the multiplication process into this example. The process of multiplication is similar that we learnt in 3rd and 4th standard. The example is quite bigger now. That is 24,143. It is multiplied by 217. So the number 217, second number into this multiplication, it is 3-digit number. Now the table of 217 we can make, but it is lengthy process. It takes some time. So within 1 or 2 minutes we had to complete this example. So how to complete this multiplication? Let's keep it. So here, example that here I am writing, it is in its horizontal method. So let's we continues their vertical arrangement. First number put down 24,143 multiplied, take the multiplication sign, 217. 3-digit number, ones, tens, 100. So we arrange 217 in this way. 100 plus below 100 plus, tens below tens, and ones below ones. Take horizontal mark. Now instead of direct 217 we multiplied here, we separate out multiplied here by 7, then 1 and then 2. That means the above number 24,143, it is first multiplied by 7, after that we multiplied by 1, and at last we multiplied by 2. That means after this horizontal mark we got 3 products. After getting those 3 products, we had to make their addition to get the final answer of this multiplication here. So how we can take place the process, the whole process, that keep on this, you have to keep watch on this green board here. So first we started by 7, 24,143. The whole number, it should be multiplied by 7 first. So use the table of 7. So 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21. Right here 1, 2 taken as carry. 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28. Plus 2, 30. For 30, we write here 0, 3 taken as carry. 7 into 1, 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 3, that is 10. Right here 0, 1 taken as carry. Thereafter 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28 plus 1, 29. Right here 9, 2 taken as carry. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. This is the multiplication done by 7. Now we have to start by 1, but before starting by 1, we take single 0 there. Now we can start now by 1 here. So 1 into 3, 1 3s are 3 there. 1 into 4, 1 4s are 4. 1 into 1, 1 1s are 1. 1 into 4, 1 4s are 4. And 1 into 2, 1 2s are 2. After that, we want to start multiplication by 2 here. So this 2 is at 100 plus. So we kept 2 zeros, 1 0 below 0 and 1 0 below 3. After taking these 2 zeros, now we can start by multiplication here 2. So 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 into 1, 2 1s are 2. 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. And last multiply 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. In this way, we carry out whole 3 multiplications separate. Now to get the final answer, we want to make out addition of these 3 numbers. This is very important. Now we take the addition. Now to take the addition, while writing these 3 products, all digits that are coming one below each other clearly here. So starting from 1's place, 1 plus 0, 1, 3 plus 0, 3, 4 plus 6, 10. Right here 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. Right here 9, 1 carry, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, plus 1, 13. Right here 3, 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. Right here 2, 1 carry, and last addition 4 plus 1, 5. So after taking this addition, we got the final answer in 7-digit number. We read out that number as 52,39,031. This is the final answer of this multiplication. Now such process, such examples, now we are proceeding in this 5th standard. Such examples we have given in current year. Now here I am getting the next example, and with the help of next example, here I am getting the explanation of 2 facts in front of you. Here I am taking this title clearly. I want to take the example in this way. Second example of third condition, that is 64,318. It is multiplied by 827. The numbers here I am getting quite bigger. 827 for the multiplication. This is somewhat quite bigger number, but don't worry, if you follows the table easily, then you should get the final answer correct way. So how we can proceed the process of multiplication? Into this example, let's observe on this green board. So first number we put down for the vertical arrangement, 64,318. It is multiplied. After taking multiplication sign, we had to arrange 827 below this number. So 800 below 100 plus 2 tens below tens plus 7, that means ones plus. So after making this vertical arrangement, we take horizontal mark. Now we want to start here multiplication first by 7, after that 2, and at last by 8. So start here by 7. That means 64,318. This number first we had to multiply it by 7. So we use table of 7. So 7 into 8, 7 8s are 56. So right here 6, 5 taken as carry. 7 into 1, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 5, right, 12. Right here 2, 1 taken as carry. 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21, plus 1, 22. So for 22 we write here 2, 2 taken as carry. 7 into 4, 28, 7 4s are 28, plus 2, 30. For 30 we write here 0, 3 taken as carry. Next 7 into 6, 7 6 are 42, plus 3, 45. So we write 45 as it is. After that we want to start by 2. So before starting we take 1 0 below 6. Now start by 2 now. Use the table of 2. 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. Right here 6. 1 as carry. 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1. 3. No carry now. Next 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. And last 2 6s are 12. Now this is the last multiplier. So we write 12 as it is. Now we want to start by third multiplication by 8. So before starting we take 2 zeros there. Now start by 8. Use the table of 8 here. 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. Right here 4. 6 taken as carry. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 6, that will be 14. Right here 4. 1 as carry. 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. Plus 1. 25. Right here 5. 2 taken as carry. 8 4s are 34. I am taking mistake. 8 into 4, 32. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2. 34 now. So right here 4, 3 taken as carry, and 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48 plus 3, 51. So here I am getting the whole multiplication process. All 3 multiplication process here I am getting complete. Now we want to get the final answer of this multiplication. So to get the final answer, we make out addition of these 3 products here. Now let's observe on this green board, while writing all these 3 products, all digits here I am trying to keep one below each other to take the answer easily. Now starting from 1's place, 6 plus 0, 6, 2 plus 6, 8, Now 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 4, 10, right here 0, 1 as carry. Now 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, right here 9, 1 carry. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, right here 1, 1 as carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, and 5 as it is. So after making this addition at last, the final answer that we get in the form of 8-digit number. So we read this number as 5 crore 31 lakh 90,986. Now, with the help of this example, here I am explaining the basic concept that in this example, when we start multiplication by 2, first we write single 0 and then start. When we start by multiplication 8, we write 2 zeros first and then we start. Now, there is a reason behind this, why we take 1 0, 2 zeros before starting the multiplication. It is important, the basic reason. Now, the reason behind in that, in actual multiplication process, we had to multiply it by the place values of that digit in the above number. Now, the place value of this 2 is actual 20 and the place value of this 8, it is actual 800. Now, to carry out the multiplication process easily, we multiplied by 2 and 8 only. But basic fact, instead of 2, the above number, that is 64,318, it should be multiplied by 20, and by 8, instead of 8, we should be multiplied by 800. But if you multiply by 20 and 800 to this number, the multiplication process gets quite difficult there. So, to get the multiplication process easier, simplest, to continue this multiplication process, 1 0 of this 20, we write below 6. And 2 zeros of this 800, we write below this 0 and 6 here. And after taking this 1 0, 2 zeros, then we start multiplication by 2 and 8 simply is there. So I hope so you will be understand the reason behind why we take this 1 0, why we take these 2 zeros into this multiplication process. After observing this basic reason behind taking this zeros here into this multiplication process, now here I want to explain the basic 3 concepts that used in this multiplication process, that here I am writing at right side of this example, that is multiplicand, multiplier, and product. These 3 concepts we can use in the multiplication example. Now the concept of multiplicand, the number which have to multiply, it is called always multiplicand. That means in the given example, the number that is multiplied here, that is 64,318. This number we had to multiply. So 64,318. This number here always called as multiplicand. Thereafter, the number by which we multiply, that number is always called as multiplier. So 827, this number here called as multiplier. After that, the final answer that we get as the result of multiplication of these two number, that final number here known as the product here. So 5 crore 31 lakh 90,000 986. This final answer here known as the product of this multiplication. So in short way, if you know, if you remember these three concepts in a thoroughly, in rough way here I am saying, in multiplication process, while given the example in multiplication process, that is in horizontal method, the first number is always called as multiplicand, second number is always called as multiplier, and the result, that means the final answer of this multiplication, it is always called as product. This is the roughly meaning of these three concepts here. So let's recite, let's remind these three concepts related about the multiplication process: multiplicand, multiplier, and product. So after this whole explanation of multiplication process, I think you will be understand how to carry out such bigger examples in multiplication process. So this is somewhat introduction of multiplication process. Now on this multiplication process, in our textbook we have given problem set, and in that problem set we have given some simple examples like this second that you will be observing on this green board. Such simple examples are given in the first question, and after that in next half part of that problem set we have given some word problems there. So those simple examples and word problems we had to proceed in our next second videos there. So till all you had to observe the whole information, you will be get understand easily there. Till we had to stop into this video. Thank you, have a nice day.